Your skin is never going to get darkened again if you follow this exact routine that I just gave you in this video, which is very simple and very straightforward to follow.
Your smile lit up like a sunrise glow.
If you are a fair skin person and right now your skin is looking darker due to sun, due to pregnancy, or due to stress or change of environment, I'm going to be telling you very good lightening body lotions, lightening shower gels, and even body serums to use along them that is going to help you to lighten your skin, get back your skin complexion, maintain the complexion for you, and your skin will never have a reason to get dark anymore. If you're looking for this video, stay tuned. Let's talk about it. Like, share, and leave a comment, and let's go. If you have sensitive skin, anytime you use a lightening body lotion, you get green veins, red veins, you get white patches on your body. I'm going to be telling you 4 things you must do and 4 things you must not do, something like that with this particular product I'm going to talk to you about, that is going to help you to use this product without any reactions. So every part of this video is very important, so do watch through, ask questions, and let's have a conversation. This video is for people that really want results. You want to lighten up your skin in 2 weeks or less, and you want to do it in a safe way with very good products that really work. Okay, so if you know you don't want sharp results, then this video is not for you. But if you really want to lighten your skin safely with very good products, tested and trusted, then let's go ahead. And please remember to share this video. It is very important that you do. Now, the very first product I have on my list here is actually my very best, the very first product I'm going to recommend to anybody that is watching this video, and that is the Q7 Paris Carrot Half Cast Intense Body Lotion. Now, I always recommend Q7 because it works. Now, I want to actually say something really quick. If you want to lighten up your skin, especially as an African lady, as an African woman, as an African girl, you want to lighten up your skin, you should be very intentional about the products you buy. Not every product is targeted for melanin rich skin. Not every product is targeted for African women. Okay, you see Korean products, all of those things. If you want to lighten up your skin, if your skin is getting darker, don't go and buy any Korean product, because those products are not built targetedly for the African skin. But this particular brand, or the brands I'm talking to you about today, they are brands, in as much as they are foreign brands, they are made for African skin, both African men and both African women. These products are created to clear hyperpigmentation, to exfoliate your skin, to reduce or inhibit excess melanin production, thereby giving you your dream skin. So be very conscious of the product you are using, especially if you are targeting hyperpigmentation or over melanin production on your skin that is actually making you to get darker. Okay, so this is my first recommendation for you. Q7 has different variants, but I'm telling you this particular one because this is the particular one that is going to give you result. I don't want to say instant results, because yes, people's skin differ, but some people will use this lotion and in like 3 to 5 days they are beginning to see results. Their skin is beginning to brighten up. In 1 week plus, your skin has really picked up. This particular product is very effective. Now, the second body lotion that I have for you is the Easy Glow Glutathione Drip Half Cast Whitening Body Milk with Glutarose. This one again is another banger. This body lotion is going to give you that white undertone fairness. The Q7, from my own experience, gives this yellow tone fairness. Okay, so if you know that you want that go like bright yellow fairness, then you go for the Q7. If you know you want that white undertone fairness, that's what this Easy Glow gives, because it is packed with glutathione, and because of that, it is going to give you that whitish fairness undertone. So yes, you make your choice, the one that you want, the type of complexion you want to achieve at the end of the day. Now, the third body lotion that I have for you is the Q7 Gold Papaya Whitening Herbal Body Milk Strong Treatment. Now, I want to make something really clear. This is Q7 Gold, a product of EWV. The first one I talked about is Q7 Paris. These are 2 different products. Do not buy one in place of the other. Q7 Paris is different from Q7 Gold. Okay, now Q7 Paris, some people say, oh, this one is original and this one is fake. No, no one is original and no one is fake actually. This They are both original products, but this is Q7 Paris and this is Q7 Gold. Now, if you're on a budget, just like I said, this video is for people on different budgets. If you're not on a budget, I would say go for the Q7 Paris. It is a sure banker. It works. Okay. If you're on a budget, you go for the Q7 Gold. It works, but it's just on a low budget. Okay. Then the fourth one I have for you also is for people on a budget, and that is the Elen Beauty Absolute Whitening Carrot Extract Body Lotion. This one also is also good. So let me specify. If you're on a medium to low budget, go for the Q7 Gold, or you go for the Elen Beauty. If you're not on a budget, you go for the Q7 Carrot, or you go for the Easy Glow. Okay, yes, these are the four body lotions that I have for you in today's video. These are the four tested and trusted body lotions that will give you results. That's it. Now, shower gels to use with these body lotions that I just told you, that I just talked to you about. Number one, so if you are going for the Q7 Carrot Half Cast Body Lotion, okay, you are going to use it with the Q7 Ultra Lightening Shower Gel. Okay, this shower gel is very good. It has licorice extract and carrot oil. So you are going to use the both of them together to get the best result. Now, if you are going for the Easy Glow Glutathione Half Cast Body Lotion, you are going to use it with the Easy Glow Half Cast Shower Gel. That's the body shower gel you should use with it. Now, if you are going for the Q7 Gold, you are going to use it with the SK Duchess Skin Whitening Shower Gel. If you are going for the Elen Beauty, use it with the Fair and White Exfoliating Exfoliant Shower Gel. The So White. Okay, this particular shower gel has different variants. This pink one is two. It has the one that is Miss Fair, and it has the one that is So White. Get the So White. The So White is the one I'm talking about. So these are the shower gels that you should be pairing with this particular body lotions. Now, why did I choose these shower gels? These shower gels are going to work hand in hand with these body lotions. Remember, the product you pair with another product is going to determine the result you are going to get. So for you to get this particular result we are talking about, you should use them with these particular shower gels that I've talked about. If you want me to recommend an alternative, maybe you want to go and buy it and you didn't see it, let me know in the comment section, then I'll recommend an alternative. Now, if you want to add a body serum to this particular body lotions, okay, for more results. But first, I want to say, before you start using a body serum, you buy a body lotion and you want to add a body serum into it, I would advise you use that lotion first and see how it works for you. Because all of these lotions that I have told you today, honestly, they do not need a body serum. But I'm going to be recommending two body serums for you to add just in case. After 2 weeks, 3 weeks, you are not getting the results you want, you can then add a body serum into it to supercharge it. Okay, now the first body serum I'm going to recommend for you is the Q7 Paris Ultra Lightening Serum with carrot oil. Now the second one is the Easy Glow Half Cast Serum. Any of these serums, add it into the body lotion and then use it. How to mix it? Before you mix your body lotion, don't just go and carry the whole serum and pour into your can of cream. No, scoop it out, get a neat container, pour out like half of your body lotion, then mix, add a little bit of the serum. Okay, keep adding it little by little until you know how your skin tolerates it. Do you understand? Don't just carry the serum and pour in full. Some people do that and it is wrong. Get a cup, pour out some measurements of the body lotion, then add a little of the body serum. Use it for some days and see how it works on your skin before you add, so you know whether in your next mixture if you should increase or if you should decrease the quantity of the serum. So these are the body lotions, the shower gels, the body serums that you should use if really you want to lighten your skin very fast in a very safe way. Now, for people that have sensitive skin, you have green veins, you have stretch marks, you have red veins, lightening creams give you white patches and all of those things on your body. These are the things that you should not do while using all of these things that we have talked about today. Number one, exfoliation. Now, I am not asking you to exfoliate. On the contrary, I'm asking you not to over exfoliate your skin. Because if you have sensitive skin, your skin is already skin. If your skin is already sensitive, if you have green veins, that means your skin is thinning out. You do not need to over exfoliate your skin. And this particular body lotions and the body scrubs are already exfoliating. For a body lotion to be lightening, that means it contains exfoliating ingredients. Now the body lotion has exfoliating ingredients, your shower gel has exfoliating ingredients, and some people will still go and be scrubbing again on top of all of these things. That is why you use body lightening body lotions and you end up with reactions, thin skin, and all of those things. Now if you must exfoliate, just exfoliate once a week. This is for people that don't already have reactions on their skin. Okay, if you don't already have reactions on your skin, exfoliate once a week. But if you already have green veins and you still want to lighten your skin, exfoliate twice a month or even once a month. Limit the frequency at which you exfoliate your skin. It is going to help you. Stop exfoliating 2 times a week. Don't even exfoliate once a week. Exfoliate twice a month or once a month. Once you are using these exact body lotions or shower gels I've talked to you about today, because they all contain exfoliating ingredients in them. That's number one thing you should not do. Number two, use these body lotions once a day. Do not use them morning and night. Even if you are sitting down inside your house and you don't go outside, don't use them twice a day. Use it once a day. If you're a stay-at-home person and you mostly have your bath in the daytime, use it only in the daytime. Yeah, then if you are someone that you have your bath 2 times every day compulsorily, then use it only at night. But just make sure you are not using these body lotions twice a day. Use it once a day. Rule number three, use a moisturizer alongside these body lotions. Now, in as much as these body lotions are safe, in as much as these body lotions are not going to thin out your skin, give you green veins, and give you reactions, it is still good for you to add more hydration and more moisturization to your skin, because these body lotions are just meant to lighten your skin. A lot of these lotions are not moisturizing, a lot of them are not hydrating, because that's not what they are there for. They are just there to lighten your skin, so you don't expect them to do everything for you. Now the best way to handle this is to get a moisturizer. So as you get any of these lotions, buy it alongside a moisturizer. Nivea, you can be products from Nivea, it can be products from any brand of moisturizer that you want, any cheap moisturizer that you can get it and use it alongside these body lotions. Okay, now the last thing is, after some weeks of using this particular routine, your skin is going to start lightening up. Now when your skin starts lightening up, it is not that time you will now want to double down and start using it and using it and using it. No, that is when you are going to slow down. You're going to slow it down and start using it every other day. Now this is how you can use this particular body lotions for a lifetime, until you choose to stop it. Once your skin has brightened up, then you start using this lightening body lotions every other day. You get a good brightening body lotion to use in between the days you are not using your lightening body lotion. This is how you are going to use these body lotions. One, you are not going to get any skin reaction. Two, you are going to maintain the results you got. Three, you're not going to go back to this what actually made you to click on this video, which is your skin darkening again. Your skin is never going to get darkened again if you follow this exact routine that I just gave you in this video, which is very simple and very straightforward to follow. Okay,